OTIS Modelinhos. Huh, weird. Let's go to the arrow floor. Oh, that's impressive. Very usual to see arrows. So let's go start by going down. 5G is the indicator. And there's a creepy crotch right there. Let's go up to 2. I think this one is glitched. It doesn't flash anymore. See, these flash after the answer call. And here is the cab. There's a big mirror. Cab was renovated, which probably. Let's finish off at S, even though T is actually the ground. Yeah, it's glitched. Not flashing anymore. It's replaced. Motor is still original, but the flashing OTIS for 20 people, for 20 kilos, 6 people. Weirdly, there's no sign of any man in this company. I don't know if it's OTIS or other company, but fluorescent lighting. Yeah, here's the cab, manual doors, even though it's a commercial elevator. Commercial setting. That's gonna be it. And there's the call station. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this one was newly replaced. See it? There's an indicator here, but it stops flashing after. That's gonna be it.